10 tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and body weight. Today, I'd like to share some basic tips and resources for how to maintain your healthy lifestyle, body weight, and overall well-being. 1. Measure and watch your weight. Keeping track of your body weight on a daily or weekly basis will help you see what you're losing and or what you're gaining. 2. Limit unhealthy foods and eat healthy meals. Do not forget to eat breakfast and choose a nutritious meal with more protein and fiber and less fat, sugar, and calories. 3. Take multivitamin supplements. To make sure you have sufficient levels of nutrients, taking a daily multivitamin supplement is a good idea, especially when you do not have a variety of vegetables and fruits at home. Many micronutrients are vital to your immune system, including vitamins A, B6, B12, C, D, and E, as well as zinc, iron, copper, selenium, and magnesium. However, there's currently no available evidence that adding any supplements or miracle mineral supplements to your diet will help protect you from viruses or increase recovery. In some cases, high doses of vitamins can be bad for your health. 4. Drink water and stay hydrated, and limit sugared beverages. Drink water regularly to stay healthy, but there is no evidence that drinking water frequently can help prevent any viral infection, coronavirus, or any other virus. But as always said, our body is 70% water, so we definitely need to be hydrated. 5. Exercise regularly and be physically active. Regular physical activity is one of the most important things you can do for your health. Being physically active can improve your brain health, help manage weight, reduce the risk of disease, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve your ability to do everyday activities. Physical activity is an important step you can take to improve your health and quality of life. Regular physical activity may help prevent or delay many health problems. Being active may help you look and feel better, both now and in the future. 6. Reduce sitting and screen time. Exercise can't immunize you from your sedentary time. Even people who exercise regularly could be at increased risk for diabetes and heart disease and stroke if they spend lots of time sitting behind computers. Practically speaking, you could consider taking breaks from sedentary time, such as walking around the office or room a couple of times in a day. 7. Get enough good sleep. There is a very strong connection between sleep quality and quantity in your immune system. You can keep your immune system functioning properly by getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. 8. Go easy on alcohol and stay sober. Alcohol. Most people enjoy a drink now and again. Whether it's after a long day at work or just a social drink with friends, a drink can help us relax and unwind. Unfortunately, alcohol really isn't good for our bodies or minds. Though we can still drink it, it might be a good idea to cut back at least every now and then. If you want to keep the body as healthy as possible, but you definitely enjoy a good drink, go easy on the alcohol for the sake of your own health. Drinking alcohol does not protect you from any virus infection. Don't forget that those alcohol calories can add up quickly. Alcohol should always be consumed in moderation. 9. Find ways to manage your emotions. It is common for people to have feelings of fear, anxiety, sadness, and uncertainty at any stage in life. Express your emotions in a healthy way. Consider a best friend, a sibling, or a counselor. Writing about your feelings is also helpful. Jot down your thoughts into a journal. Over time, you can look back on these entries to see if any patterns emerge. Managing our emotions helps us make better decisions, big or small. Understanding our emotions allows us to become aware of triggers, so we can gain insights on how to respond in constructive ways. 10. Use an app to keep track of your movement, sleep, and heart rate. Using phone applications, or even writing them down and taking note is a really good way to keep track of your lifestyle and see whether it's healthy or not. There are plenty of great applications that can help you with sleep, heart rate and exercise and show how much you move. There are even great diet apps. So just using any of them can help improve our life. So, here were 10 tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and the ideal body weight. Wish you all good luck. Thank you for watching our video.